Hi guys, welcome back to week 2 of October's Make With Me project. We are making a crochet stitches sampler welcome mat. Last week we learned 5 stitches, the single crochet, double crochet, half double, griddle, and moss stitch. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the sedge stitch. We're going to use 3 of the stitches we have already learned. Let's get started. I'm going to continue my color pattern and switch back to the light gray. And now we're ready to learn the sedge stitch. We are going to chain 1 before beginning this row. When I changed colors, that was my chain 1. And then we are going to make a half double crochet in this first stitch, followed by a double crochet in the same stitch. So right where you made the half double crochet, you're going to make a double crochet, and they both go in that same spot. Then we're going to skip 2 stitches. Now if you remember, our last pattern that we did, or our last stitch we did, had a chain space, so that will count as a stitch. So we're going to skip this stitch, this chain space, and come to this third stitch. We're going to make a single crochet in that stitch, followed by a half double crochet in the same stitch, and followed by, sorry, I had to get more yarn, and followed by a double crochet in that same stitch. So that stitch will have 3 stitches in it: a single crochet, a half double crochet, and a double crochet. Then we're going to skip 2 stitches again. So we're going to skip this chain space, skip the crochet, come into this chain space. And we're going to repeat that pattern of a single crochet, a double crochet, a half double crochet, followed by a double crochet. And that's the sedge stitch. So we'll skip 2. We will make a single crochet. We will make a half double crochet. And we will make a double crochet, all in that same stitch. Skip 2 stitches and repeat. We're going to do this all the way across the row. I'll meet you guys at the end of the row. Okay, here I am at the end of row 1. I just made a single, half double, and double crochet into the same stitch. I skip a stitch, and in this last stitch, I'm going to make a single crochet only. And that ends the row. So to begin row 2 of the sedge stitch, I will chain 1. In that last stitch I just did, which was a single crochet, I'm going to make a half double and a double crochet. So starting off just like we began the last row. Then we will skip 2 stitches, the double, the half double, we're down here to the single, and we will make a single crochet, followed by a half double crochet, followed by a double crochet. And we'll just repeat that same pattern across. Here I am near the end of row 2. I'm going to finish that off with a single crochet, a half double crochet, followed by a double crochet, all in that same stitch. Skip a stitch, and in this last stitch I'm going to make a single crochet, just like the previous row. I'll chain 1, and I will start row 3 like I started the other 2 with a half double in that stitch, first stitch, followed by a double crochet in the same stitch, skip 2 stitches, single crochet, sorry, I'm out of frame, single crochet, half double crochet, all in the same stitch, skip 2 stitches, repeat the pattern all the way across. We are going to do a total of 5 rows. I will see you guys at the end. Right, here I am at the end of row 5 of the sedge stitch, which is our stitch for the day. And there you have it, 5 rows of the sedge stitch. Join me tomorrow and I will show you guys how to make a bobble stitch. See you later.
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.